Today's video, I have Hazelnut 330. That will be on my right, which will be your left when watching this video. And I also have Copper, which is 365, which will be on my left, and it will be your right when watching this video. I am going to compare these two powders to see how close they are. Keep watching if you'd like to see the comparison. Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations, where you will be uplifted and learn something new today. L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour wear 365, which is the copper, will be my left, your right. I'm using sponge today because I want to get as much coverage as I can so we can compare them and you can see the difference. I already have primer on. I have a e.l.f. matte primer. It's a semi-matte primer. And I think I put way more than I needed today. So we will see what happens. Under my eyes, don't have any primer. I have my moisturizer only. The rest of my face is moisturized and primed. I'm going to do my eyes and everything because we want to compare this to see the difference. On this channel, I try to leave you with an encouraging and motivational word, something that will uplift you, something that can help you with your day, because our days are not always bright, you know. We have sunny days and we have rainy days in our life. If I can take you from a rainy day and give you a little bit of sunshine on this channel, I am happy doing that. This is my left, your right, and this is copper. I use this sponge. When I'm finished, I will use a fluffy brush, but right now we're using sponge. On my right, which will be your left when watching this video, I am now going to use 330, which is hazelnut on this side, which is my right. I have a wedge sponge. Always remember you first. You see how it's peeling? It's not the powder. When I put my primer on today, I went very, very handed. I pressed and I pressed way more than I needed. So instead of just wiping it away, I just put it all on my face. So I knew that was going to happen. So that's what that peeling is about. It has nothing to do with the powder. It's just that I have excess of the primer on. But once I buff it away, it will all fall in place. This is a 330 hazelnut. And I'm not putting extra. This is just what it looks like on me. If you look at my playlist, I have a playlist with pop. I have a playlist with pressed powder foundation. If you play that playlist, you'll see where I have compared this powder on its own and also with another one. I always put a lot so you can see the comparison. This is hazelnut, number 330. Now I'm going to use this e.l.f. brush and I'm just going to take out excess because, again, like I tell you, I always put extra when I'm doing a comparison so you can see the exact product so you know if it's for you or not. I'll use a different brush for the other side. I use the e.l.f. brush to dust away the excess for the hazelnut. And I'm using an Eco 2 brush to brush away the excess for the copper. 365 copper is on my left, which will be your right. This is what it looks like. That is copper. Let me know if you think that's my shade. On my right, which will be your left, I have 330, which is hazelnut. Hazelnut, copper. I'm close to the light so you can see. I'm further away from the light so you can see. Hazelnut, copper. And as you're looking at my face, also look at my neck so you can tell which one truly matches my skin tone and my skin color. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself. Do not dim your light for another. If you're struggling with any problems, please seek help. Help is available. Please reach out and talk to someone. I love you dearly. You do belong. You matter. And as always, until I see you and you see me, I want you to seek help if you are not well. Seek help. Please hype this video and share it with someone else. I will see you shortly. Bye. Copper 365, my left, your right. Hazelnut 330, my right, your left.